Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of tangent square x times secant x dx. Okay? To solve this integral, we need the formula from trigonometry. That is, tangent square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. Okay? So now if you substitute this equation into this integral, you can rewrite this integral as, instead of tangent square x, I write secant square x minus 1 times secant x dx. Okay, and then here this integral, now you can rewrite it as integral of secant square times secant, that will be secant 3x dx minus integral of 1 times secant is equal to secant x dx. Okay, so the integral of the first term, that is integral of secant 3x dx, I had solved this integral in the past, and the video is already on in my channel. So if you look into my channel, you will find how to solve this integral, and the solution of this integral is equal to 1 divided by 2 secant x tangent x plus 1 divided by 2 ln secant x plus tangent x. Okay, so the solution, as I said, this solution is already in my channel. I don't want to repeat it here. Okay, minus integral of secant x dx, and integral of secant x dx you can find it in the table of integral, that is equal to ln secant x plus tangent x plus c, which is the constant of the integral. So you can rewrite this one as 1 divided by 2 secant x tangent x, 1 divided by 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 divided by 2 ln secant x plus tangent x plus c, which is the constant of the integral. You can make it a bit nicer by factoring 1 divided by 2 times secant x tangent x minus ln secant x plus tangent x plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.